All right, hey guys, this is your captain speaking. This is dispatch for April 12th, 2021. Tomorrow, Monday. So it looks like, well, I hope everyone's having a good weekend, first of all. It looks like we're gonna have about a week, a real solid week, starting on Tuesday all the way through Monday will be our first dry day, starting on Tuesday. So it's not going to be a whole lot to do. Hopefully we're going to be able to get Little Bear Village all loaded up with dirt at some point, and we'll get some jobs and some start dates queued up for some septic work as well. But it's going to be a real slow week. So for tomorrow, we're gonna have Jordan. You're gonna head out to Magnolia and go finish spreading the gravel, clean up and demobilize the jackhammer, the demo saw, any other tools and materials that might be out there. Go ahead and take the 6-liter, which is at my house at the moment, and I'll have it down at the shop at 8 a.m. So Ryan, you will finish up any outstanding work out in Lyons. Sorry guys. Alright, so Ryan, you are going to wrap up any outstanding work that you might have out there at Lyons. If you don't have anything going on out there, just bring the excavator back to the yard and drop the 305, and I'll get ready to go get the E50 off of Magnolia. And then you will go check on the groundwater on the open hole down there in El Dorado Springs, and to get some pictures so we can determine if we need to order an anti-buoyancy collar or not for that job. Becky, you're gonna go ahead and do the roller compactor tomorrow at Little Bear Village, and then I will meet you over there as well in the morning, and we will pull the layout and start thinking about getting the perimeter drain in the ground. Bill, you're off, so it's going to be a lot of resting for you this week, Bill. So rest up, do your rehab, and get ready for a good productive season. That's everything, guys. So let's have a good day tomorrow, and call me. I'll be in touch. Actually, yeah, Ryan, maybe we can all round up tomorrow around midday. I think that'd be a good time. Maybe we'll have some lunch and just have a little mini gathering, our Monday kickoff meeting. Yeah, we'll see you guys later. Thanks.